So I'm going to show you how to merge two Facebook pages. For that, your Facebook and go to your Facebook page, and on the left side scroll all the way down and go for settings, and under settings make sure you're in your general settings, and under general settings scroll down, and here you will have this merge pages option. Click on that, and here you have an option that says merge duplicate pages. Click on that, and after that it will ask you to enter your password. Just enter your password and click continue. So here, request to merge duplicate pages. So here it is asking you to choose a source page and the page that you want to merge into a destination page, and it is giving you a guidance that you have to remember these things while you merge your page. So now enter your source page and destination page. The main thing that you should keep in mind that your both of the pages should be published. If your page is not published, then the merge will not be happen. So after entering your pages, click continue. So it is saying that one page will be deleted and this page will be preserved. So after that, hit the submit button. Here it is saying that the pages cannot be merged because we don't have the same page names. So what you have to do is go back to your pages, and on the left side go to edit page info, and here change your name. So you have to make sure that the two pages have same name. So after entering the same name, so here it is asking you to confirm your change request. So request change, click on that. Now your changes have been saved. So what you have to do is go back to settings, and under setting go back to merge pages and go to merge duplicate pages, and now choose the names. Now hit the continue, and after that it is saying that this page will be deleted. It's okay. Click on that submit button. So now you have successfully submitted a merge request. Please check your email for updates. Click on continue, and that's it guys. Your Facebook pages have been merged. So to see that, open up your Facebook again or refresh your Facebook. Now you can see that there is only one page. So yeah guys, merging two Facebook pages was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.